Man, let's get it. Let's go, y'all. We back at it again with another lit video. Oh my goodness. Now let's trace through this alley, man. Y'all, I just found the alley, started the video in, man. Y'all know how we rocking, man. It's raining outside. Y'all see how we rocking, though. Trash control, no, none of that. You know how we ready to get shitty. You going to jail. You going to jail. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is this really a demon? Man, I'm trying to tell y'all, this is a demon. Once, yeah, I ain't even tell y'all what type car this is. Y'all don't even gonna believe me. Like, bro, this is a real deal Demon 170.
Stop the cap.
Real deal, bro. Real deal. You feel me? Real deal. Like, Demon. Ooh, it said Demon 170. It said Demon 170. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Hold on, let's go in and load up performance controls on y'all, man. This is that Demon, man. Y'all don't believe me, man. Before the way we land, like we really do. Woo! We are in that Demon 170, boy. I ain't gonna count. Hold on. Let's be careful, boy. Look, there's a lot of people through this bit, though. We might beat the cars, though, but so, look. This dude, though. What they doing, though? Okay. We not sliding today, y'all, because we ain't got no tires. You feel me? I say, but look, it's all the stuff we got, though. Little some slight. Woo! They get the spitting, boy. Hey, we gotta drive up through there. We gotta drive up through there, y'all. Y'all know how we do it. We gotta drive up through there. Y'all, this the first ever video I ever made with this junk, though. But, like, bro, this smug just, like, oh, yeah, we gotta try launch control, too. You know we gotta do it. You know we gotta try launch control. Oh. No, we ready to try launch control. We ready to try launch control. The motor not even unlocked. Hold on, let's see. Launch control in the Demon 170, y'all. 260,000 RPMs. Let's get it. Let's activate that. Y'all push the brake all the way in. Hit on the gas. Oh my God, this driving, y'all. Y'all just don't understand how to slow down. Ooh, this smug just spitting, y'all. Went here and been a look. They over there playing football, y'all. We one hands in this though. Ooh, this smug just spitting. Smug just spitting and gritting. Y'all, we still got the launch control pages up. Let's go ahead and put the performance pages back up. Oh, y'all, let's go ahead and get them back up. Hands a little rusty, though. Yeah, a little rusty, though. So control it. Woo! Teach y'all something. Let me teach y'all something right here, man. It must say speed bump up ahead, my guy. Speed bump up ahead. Let's go ahead and fix that. Just have to teach y'all how to get with pig.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get past this nigga. Stop playing with the boy. Yeah, real deal drive out here, man. Real, hold on, real, let's deal shit for smug. Listen to it, though. Smug hitting, though. Smug hitting about like 350, though. We hitting y'all. We coming through the port. Dog with this mug though. Woo! Do y'all hear that mug? Like, bruh, like it just like the exhaust so loud you can't even hear the supercharger. You feel me? You can't even hear the supercharger, y'all. Oh. Woo! Oh, that mug get the. Oh, mug get the getting now, y'all. We'll try to get a hit on this road. Let's go ahead and try to get a hit. No launch control. We just gonna try to just straight up just hit this mug. Let's go ahead and turn the traction all the way off.
You serious?
Y'all could really get the real full effect of this mug. We on tires, you feel me? Okay. We're gonna go first gear. Woo! That mug is spitting, y'all. I ain't gonna fake it. Do y'all see how that mug? Hold on, man. No, yeah, that mug, real deal. Really out here in the Demon 170. Really out here in the Demon 170, boy. Really out here in the Demon 170, y'all. Real deal. We coming through the baseball park and stuff, y'all. Oh, should we slide a corner on these boys? Should we? Oh, yeah. Let's go on here. Woo! We in a Demon went. Oh my God. That mug just got, man. Do y'all understand, man? Do y'all understand? See, look, it's only like 160 on the dash. Probably like Demon 170. 160 on the dash. You feel me? What's he doing? No, is you feel me? That's just the way. That's just the way, you feel me? For we can have people thinking that is, you feel me, a regular scat pack or something like that. But it's not no scat pack though. Don't be thinking that this is no scat pack, you feel me? Just the way, you feel me, the cluster is, you feel me? This is that Demon 170. And we in the rain though. Yes indeed, we in the rain. This is it. And look, traction control is still off though. Y'all know how we rocking. Y'all know how we rocking. We ran through. Dale Shiffish mug. This mug's crazy though. We ran. Look, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at them people's trunk open. They just got all type of stuff here. Yeah, it's smug right here, man. Look. I hope the lights stay green for a nigga coast straight through. Woo! That mug, yeah. Tappers. Hey, that smug so crazy. Y'all should have just seen how the wheel just like, boy, I swear I ain't gonna fake it. Y'all should have just seen like how the wheel just got up on the nigga though. This mug just real deal just got up on the nigga. No faking. We're gonna go ahead and turn this way though. Real deal is real deal is inside a real deal whatchamacallit though. You sliding down here, man. You feel me? Oh, this mug sliding. Ooh, it's smug getting though. Like, do y'all see though? Like, at Demon 170, when that mug just catch traction control, we in the rain though. It's not raining that bad, but you feel me? That mug, it's definitely raining. You feel me? We don't want to crash this junk now. Y'all, but this mug's crazy though. Watch how I do it. Oh, shit. I will come over with a slide though. Woo! Smug. Is this a good POV? Let me know down in the comments, whole time. Like, I just want to know down in the comments. This is a good POV. We only doing good POVs, you feel me? It's raining like a mug. It's smug like smug that won't catch tracks and watch. I'm gonna throw it in draft. Just watch how we do it. It's like it's mud. Woo! It's raining though. It's raining though. I don't even know I'm a tired. Yeah. Get across the street. It's a Demon 170 coming. It's a Demon 170 coming.
Oh, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
Ain't gonna hit nobody though. Woo! We ain't gonna hit nobody though. But this motherfucker is a Demon 170. You ain't in the Mopar if you ain't driving on E. It's a Demon 170. Cause don't nobody even know where this rain come from though. You feel me? It's not raining that bad though. Let's go through the port. We going through the other port, man. We go to this port. Woo! We driving that mug. That mug is official though. But is that the police? Cause we do not want to mess with them. We got calm down, y'all. We just got to calm down. Just a little fishtail. I don't know what happened, but you feel me? That mug just got a little fishy.
It ain't them niggas that act hard, it's them niggas that be like, quiet like, it's the ones.
Mug just got a little fishy. Look, I bet they gonna try to pull a nigga over. Oh my God! Nigga over. We gonna calm down though, y'all. We in the motherfucking Demon 170. He not catching us. Yeah. You feel me? I just be forgetting sometimes. You feel me? I'm used to driving them scat packs. And you feel me? Them Hellcats. We in Demon 170, my nigga. What do you mean by that, boy? You see the green up our boy? Stop playing. The smug's nice though. It got Dodge on the steering wheel though. Whole time we changed out the steering wheel though. But we just coming through the port. Oh my goodness. Why is it? Somebody that won't shit by itself. Calm your ass down. Oh, bro, we only come. Them mother that come through the port. Them mother that. Oh.
Oh!
Hey, hey, this smug just shipped. Smug just do it to first gear by itself. Oh God, automatic shifting mode. It won't me turn up through the port. Okay, I got y'all something. So that we'll get a look. Woo! We coming through the port. Go through the port. Can we slide this turn? Yes, we can. You know, the trees. Woo! Coming through the park. We coming through the park. Oh, fake it. Oh, look, they doing over here doing this shit. Doing construction in the hood park. Woo! That mug is getting, boy. Y'all, this is that God though. They real deal fixing up this. Y'all, we at the hood sliding Demon 170. Do it wet in the mug, man. I got that front window. Nigga need some of that air out this Demon. Out that Demon. All that hell and heat. Need some of that air. Yeah, dude-ass don't know we turning with him. I'm sorry. But the beast got to turn, man. The beast got to turn, man. Should we slide this corner, man? Is it okay to just go ahead and just go ahead and just... Oh, we still got it. Woo! That motherfucker opened up like a I'ma calm down, cause we is going back down that street where we just seen that police at. And we don't want dude to, you feel me? Cause like, what the is that him right there? Nah, I thought that was him right there. I was ready to say, dude on my trail for what reason? Oh God, gonna make me bet something. I'm trying to tell dude, man. And we driving in real, man. Man, oh God, what the world? We got the bad boys over there. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? We good though on the bad boys. We good on the bad boys. Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let me show y'all again how we do it. We're gonna do it a little bit slower this time though. You feel me? Yeah. I just talk and say speed bump. But we kept going. Man, we in the hood with it, man. That's what I'm trying to talk. You feel me? Don't be using my maneuvers now. Using my maneuvers now. Y'all know how we rocking though. We using Demon 170. So you know what that means. I mean, woo! Burned the fuel out that. Look at the leg shake. Look at the leg shake. Woo! Might go ahead and enter her, y'all. You feel me? No fake it, man. Demon 170, man. I'm trying to tell you, y'all don't know nothing about this, motherfucker. This motherfucker get up, though. Oh, shit. That motherfucker got loose now. We almost just crazy. Look, see, you see? Motherfucker got loose now. Motherfucker got loose now. That motherfucker got loose now. That motherfucker got loose now. Oh. Woo! This is a shakedown. Shakedown. Cause woo! Shakedown, motherfucker. I ain't gonna fake it, y'all. We're gonna end her, man.